Dear friends, it's Sriram Vedam here. You might have just started a YouTube channel or you may be willing to start a YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to get 100 subscribers in a day, that is within 24 hours guaranteed if you follow what I just said. So first thing, let's start on how to get this. First thing is you need to have a YouTube channel and at least upload one single video there. If you are about to start a YouTube channel, then please do follow this step and upload one video that you have created. And the second important thing is you need to believe that it's possible. I can show you with example where one of my students achieved 100 subscribers in 24 hours. Though the channel was created recently with only a couple of videos. There is a very powerful saying in Bible, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find it. Knock and the doors will be open to you. So the first step is asking. Let me tell you this. You are watching this video because you were looking for it. You were asking for it. Or you were seeking for it. That's the reason where you have landed at this video. Before I would actually share the formula, you will be thinking, why should you really listen to me? Sriram Venu channel has just over 3000 plus subscribers. So what's great about it? Let me tell you, my primary channel is A2C Arts and Crafts, which has over 700,000 plus subscribers. And I am an author of the book YouTube Earn Money Out of Your Passion, which is available on Amazon. I hope this information helps you to take action on what I say. So now, let me come to the point. What is your intention of starting a YouTube channel and uploading the videos? If your intention is just for earning money out of it, I'm sorry to say this, you may earn some money out of YouTube, but you will not go far. You may not have too much subscribers and you may not make real good money. So the thing you need to understand is, you need to have the right intention of why you are starting the channel. What is the purpose of having the channel? Once you are clear with that, that is the driving force for your YouTube channel. Say for example, my channel Sriram Venu, it's all about giving the needed information for many of them so that they could start a successful YouTube channel and earn money out of it. That's the intention what I carry. And the other intention what I have is, I don't want everyone to do the same mistakes what I did in the beginning, or something like, I don't want everyone to take the same amount of time what I took to build this channel, because it's really possible to build this in a short span of time. So do pause the video for 2 minutes, think about what is the real intention of your YouTube channel and write it down. Once you identify the intention and purpose of your YouTube channel, write down in the comment section so that maybe some of them who are watching this video, they may like your intention and subscribe to your channel as well. Now once your intention is clear, you can go and get the subscribers. And it's possible in 24 hours to get 100 subscribers. So you got to believe that you can have 100 subscribers. So here are the simple steps for you to get 100 subscribers in 24 hours. The genuine subscribers who are going to comment on your videos, share your videos, like your videos and much more. Do you know who are those 100 subscribers? It's none other than your own friend circle. I'm sure every one of you who are watching this video would have at least 200 to 300 friends in your circle. It may be your phone contacts, it may be WhatsApp contacts, it may be Facebook, Instagram, whatever it could be. You would have at least 200 to 300 friends. Correct? Those are the people who need to support you in the beginning. Ask and it will be given to you. So the first step is to ask. Who better than to ask your own friends? Now I'll tell the structure, the way you need to format your message so that it creates an impact when you send, so that they subscribe. And the message would go like this. I'm really excited to say that I have started a YouTube channel in so and so, mentioning like either it's in arts and crafts or health or education, whatever it could be. And say that with an intention of sharing my knowledge so that it helps others. And it will be really great if you can support me by subscribing to my channel. Please do share your comments so that I can do much better. And below, give the link of your channel. This is how I would prefer sending a message. My first preference is sending individually, that is one-to-one. Okay, send a message with their name so that it feels personal and they subscribe. Second, if you have really close friends, just give them a call and say that, hey, you know what, can you please subscribe to my channel? And third, if you have a WhatsApp group or your Facebook group or Instagram group or whatever, send them in the group and ask them to subscribe. So this is how you need to go through. Let me tell you this. Out of everyone who is watching this video, only 2% of you all are going to take action. 98% of the people just watch and move on. If you are one of those 2% people, then comment below and say that I am going to take action and I am going to have 100 subscribers in next 24 hours. And you will have it. Let me tell you one small thing. I had many reasons for not doing this video today. When I was about to on the camera, I saw that the battery was drained out. So I put it for charging. The charger had broken, so I had to really fix it. I thought there is a lot of noise around. Then I thought the lighting may not be proper. So I had so many reasons for not doing it, but I had one reason for doing it as well. It was my intention of sharing this information so that it helps you. Initially, when I started my channel, A2C Arts and Crafts and Sriram Belur, I never shared it with my friends. The reason is, I used to think, what would my friends think about me? The video quality is not good. I am not looking great in the video. My dressing style is not that great. Is my hairstyle proper? Will they say something negative about it? I had so many reasons for not sharing with my friends. Trust me, the day I left these comments behind or these thoughts behind and started sharing with my friends, that is when I started seeing the results. That is when it started growing exponentially. And that is the reason why A2C Arts and Crafts has more than 700,000 subscribers today. At times, when we want to achieve something great, we got to forget what others are going to think. We just have to think about our purpose and the genuine thing why we are doing it. That is what is going to take long way. And trust me, from the day I started sharing with my friends, they started appreciating me for the fact what I am doing. In the same way, once you start sharing, your friends will appreciate for that. So, do not hesitate, go for it. You can have 100 subscribers in 24 hours. And I will be reading each and every comment in this video, and I am sure you can achieve it. All the very best. If you are looking for more information on how to build a sustainable YouTube channel and earn great money out of it, then the book has the complete information about it. You can buy the book from Amazon. The link for the book is in the description. You can go for it. The price of the book will be going higher soon, so please do get your copies now.